Good morning, students. Today we will learn a very important part of basics of algebra, which is like and unlike terms. This why I said it is very important because when we start the operations on algebra, like algebraic terms and expressions, when we start adding, subtracting, and all. It is possible to add and subtract algebraic terms or expressions only if they are like terms. So it is very important for you all to understand which are the like terms and which are unlike. Whenever you see like terms, that can be added. If they are unlike, we cannot add them. So let's take few examples of like terms. And before that, so like term means the terms having same variables. I can say terms having same variable and power are called like terms. Okay, so now I will show you examples. Let's say, for example, I will take 2x square. This is one term. This is the constant and variable and power 2 is there. Suppose if I write minus 1 by 2x square. Here you should not see 2 and minus 1 by 2. To check whether they are like terms or not, you have to just see the variable part. Here x and square, x and power 2. So if this part is same, then we call it as like terms. Suppose if I write 3x, so this here x square, here only x. That means variable also should be same and power also should be same to call them as like terms. But now for 3x, you don't have power 2. That's why 3x cannot be similar to these two. So these two can be called as like terms. So 3x cannot, it won't mix in this group. Whereas I can write one more thing, like for example, if I write 5x, then you can say 5x and 3x and 5x are like terms. So this is one group, which means why am I telling that this is one group and this is another group? Only because the addition and subtraction between these two is possible. Addition or subtraction between these two is possible. Like for example, if you are asked to add 3x and 5x, you can do here 3x's and 5x's, total you can say 8x. But if it is 2x square plus 3x, then it cannot be added because this is x square, this is x, so they are unlike, so addition is not possible. So I'll give you some examples so that you can separate the groups of like terms. Let's say if I write x square y, another one 3x y square, and maybe 2x square y, 4x square y square. So see, how do you mix them? Like, how do you identify like terms? Like if you see, always you must see the variables. Here xy is there, here also xy is there, but observe the power of x here is 2, power of x here is 1. So this and this cannot be like terms. So let's see the similar one. Here also you have xy, but look at here x square, here also x square, here y power 1, y power 1. That means this one and this one can be like terms. That means the operation of addition or subtraction is possible between these two. Same way, don't think that this and this are again like, because once again you have to check. X power is 1, here x power is 2, y's power 2, y's power 2, but that doesn't mean that these two are like, because this is not matching. So you can say these two are unlike. Okay, so from out of all these 4 terms, we can only make the one group of like terms, that is having this and this. Maybe I'll give you one more example where you can separate the groups. 3a square b 2abc minus 6a square b 4abc. Okay, so in this example you can see that a square b similar, so that means you can say 3a square b and minus 6a square b, it is one set of like terms. Another one 2abc and 4abc is another set of like terms. So I hope you have understood the concept of like terms and unlike terms. Tomorrow we will learn about how to add and subtract like terms. So I hope you have understood and you can practice similar questions. Thank you.